HubSpot have just rolled out a new feature in journey automation called Cloning Journeys. This is a really great update for marketers and businesses looking to save time and to scale their campaigns. Cloning Journeys lets you duplicate existing workflows in just a few clicks. It's perfect for reusing successful campaigns without having to start from scratch. For example, if you've got a great onboarding journey for new customers, you can clone it, tweak it for a different product, and launch it within minutes. Or if a re-engagement campaign worked wonders for one audience, you can easily adapt it for another. It's all about saving time, staying consistent, and reducing errors. Here's how it works. So you go to the Journey section in HubSpot, select the journey you want to clone, click Clone, and HubSpot creates a duplicate. From there, you can customize the enrollment criteria, actions, or goals to fit your new campaign. Once you're happy, hit Publish and you're good to go. So let's say you're running a seasonal promotion. Instead of building a new workflow, just clone last year's campaign. And then that way you can update the content and launch it. Or if you're managing customer onboarding for multiple product lines, you can replicate the same journey and tailor it for each one. HubSpot knows marketers are busy and recreating workflows takes time. This feature is all about making journey automation more efficient so you can focus on strategy and creativity instead of repetitive tasks. It's a small change, but it has a big impact. Let us know in the comments what updates you think are really great that you want us to cover. Happy HubSpotting.